Hey everybody, it's Seth Jones, Editor-in-Chief of Landscape Management Magazine, doing another at-home edition interview. Today I'm being joined by Greenzie co-founder and CEO Charles Brian Quinn, better known as CBQ.
Great.
CBQ, thanks for taking the time to chat with me today. It's good to see you.
Yeah, always happy to.
Cool. So, I mean, I've followed you guys a little bit, and one of the things that caught our eye is you guys just got an influx of $4 million. So congratulations on that. But just to get started, tell me, who are you? Tell me about yourself.
Sure, I'm the co-founder and CEO of Greenzie, and we're here to reduce labor costs of lawn maintenance. Frankly, it's gotten really hard to be in the lawn maintenance business. The labor challenge is real. I don't think it's getting better. I know supply chain is also kicking people's butts, but labor is still a big challenge. A lot of landscapers have the work. They don't have the people to do it. So we set out to help landscapers through robotics and software. So we have created a robotic ready program that manufacturers use to add a killer feature to their stand-on and zero-turn mowers, and we call it autonomous mowing. Autonomous mowing allows the mower to operate by itself. It helps you reduce labor costs because you've got a crew that used to sort of have maybe a person mowing, or you'd either have to do that on the crew. And with autonomous mowing, you basically mow the area that you'd like to do, and then you set the mower off. And it's kind of like cruise control, or more like sort of the autonomous driving features, the lane assist, I like to say. But we've added this to Right Standard ZKs. We have a fleet in the field with a couple customers who are actively using it on smaller reduced crews, who are able to start to reduce that labor cost. So we're excited about our $4 million we just raised. You alluded to it. We're venture backed, which means I can use my investors' money to do things that are pretty crazy. I don't know if you ever used Uber in the beginning, but we're subsidizing a lot of costs. We're trying to do things that don't scale now, like for instance, helping the dealers figure out how they maintain and can support these equipment. Lots of equipment, lots of training, lots of hands on the ground, and it's been fun. We've learned a lot this season. We learned a lot the season before, and we'll continue to do that. Our goal is to expand and bring out more mowers and more manufacturers that have autonomous mowing as a standard feature.
Okay, great. So now, what's your background? Do you come from a robotics background, or do you have like a history in like with this industry at all, or like where do you come from?
I'm a software guy. I believe that the answer to most problems is software. Just ask my wife. I'm about right maybe 80% of the time, maybe more so these days. I've automated everything in my house. So the juxtaposition of software and hardware has always been awesome to me. A little while ago, I got involved with a company called lawn.com. We tried to help automate some of the back office for landscapers. That company, it was tough because I found out some of my customers in that company, I was just an investor and advisor for that company, didn't have enough labor. So when it came time to start something else, I'm an entrepreneur. I love starting businesses. And so I came to a friend and said, hey, let's start something. And he said, hey, I got the perfect idea for you. It's my co-founder who runs a company here in Atlanta Ventures in their studio. And they like starting companies and have a program to start companies. And he said, start this one. So I started calling landscapers. And what's crazy is I used a systematic engineering approach to build this business. The idea is called lean startup. And we've talked about it a few times. Atlanta Ventures talks about it. But in lean startup, what you do is you really, a lot of roboticists, bless them, I love them. That's a Southern statement. And that means, they're trying, but a lot of them love building robots to build robots' sake. I like building solutions for solutions' sake, which is very different. So when I set out to build this company and to help with labor costs and challenges, I wrote along with customers. I called every landscaper I could, and they told me what to build. When they said, hey, look, if you could wave a magic wand, they're like, I had a guy named Tyler who used to help me, and he's gone. If you could build a magic thing for me, CBQ, it would be a robot that is just on my crew. Like it would do, I don't know, edging, weeding. But the big thing is, that took me the longest was riding the mower. You're like, hey, if you could just have a robot stand on or sit on the mower and just operate it, they're like, I can show them what to do. I can do the detailed stuff. I just need some help. And they said, that'd be magic. I mean, you can't build that. But I was like, well, let me try. So for the past 3 years, we have systematically done it. And first, we retrofitted it machines, Frankenstein type, mowers. We took an X mark and like added all these levers and stuff, and it broke, of course. because it was not worth doing, but we proved that software could control it and that we could do the repetitive parts. Then we moved to an electric mower, which was great because it proved that we could get some of the reliability going and really control it at the system level and get that stripes and all that. And we did that for a whole season. And then we started partnering with the manufacturers, which has leveled us up tenfold, where it still plugs into the dealer network, distributor network. It's a mower you trust. There's no cut quality. You know, a lot of my competitors are trying to rebuild a brand new mower from the ground up and or sort of retrofit. And we've tried both those things. And man, those are really hard. And, you know, I hope that they all have success. I wish everybody success, but my customers mainly. And, you know, if you're going to go and compete with a John Deere, like, good luck. I'd rather, you know, just be a small software feature. Our big goal is just have a tiny little sticker on every outdoor equipment that says Greenzie inside, and we just want to build the software. So my background is software. That's what I know. That's what I do. So that's why we partner with manufacturers to do the software side so that they can sell great equipment, support those dealers, have the dealer network, and just build quality machines.